Good morning, yogis, yoginis, and everyone in between. This is day 23 of your morning yoga journey. I'm Kit, and welcome to Yoga with Kit Souther. I'm so happy to see you guys. Okay, so you guys, I can't believe we're here. We're on day 23. We only have a week left, and then you'll have completed this 30-day morning yoga journey. You guys, I'm really proud of you for sticking with it, staying consistent, and going through with this. So, like all the days, we're going to go ahead and start off with our morning affirmation. Today's affirmation is, my thoughts and feelings matter. I invite you to gently close your eyes, allowing that affirmation to sit with you. My thoughts and feelings matter. Like all the practices, we begin with our cleansing breath and our 3 ohms. If you're not already in an easy pose position, go ahead and get there. I'm going to go ahead and sit on my block this morning, but you choose whichever asana or pose is best for you. Okay, we're going to inhale through the nose, out through the mouth. We begin with our first om. Excuse me. We inhale through the nose. Om. We inhale. Last one, we inhale. Allowing the breath to settle. Beautiful. From here, we're going to take the block out from under us if you're sitting on one. And then from here, we are going to stay in a position with our feet out in front. Let's take the feet a little bit wider than the shoulders. Our hands, our palms are going to come onto the little bit lower than the kneecaps. We're going to do a modified cat-cow from here, right? So we're going to do the same thing. We inhale, arching the back, opening up the chest. And as we exhale, we're going to curve the spine, making sure those sit bones stay in the same place more or less. And then we're going to inhale, coming back up. And exhale. Really curving the spine, navel to spine. And we come back up, inhaling. And exhale. Let's do that 2 more times. We inhale. And exhale. One more, we inhale. And exhale. Coming back up to a neutral spine. We're going to keep the feet more or less where they are, and then we're going to just gently fall back onto our back. From here, we want to make sure that the sacrum is on the mat, and we're going to take the hands on the inhale overhead, and then we're going to clasp the fingers and push the palms away from the body. So the palms will be facing the wall. Okay, from here, on the inhale, we're going to extend the arms, lengthening the spine. And on the exhale, we're going to release. We inhale, lifting up the arms. Sacrum stays on the back, lengthening through the spine. And we exhale, release. Inhale, lengthen. Finding space. And exhale, release. We inhale, lengthen. And exhale, release. One more, we inhale, lengthen. And exhale, release. Gently unclasp the hands and we bring the knees up to chest. Doing a nice little hug, saying good morning. Maybe gently rocking from side to side. Nice, easy movements. Then from here, we're going to extend out the left leg, keeping hold of that right one. Just bringing the knee in close to the chest, to the body, and gently releasing the knee, keeping hold, the shin still. We're going to inhale, bring the knee closer. And exhale, release, staying hold of the knee. We're going to inhale one more time, bringing that knee close. And exhale, releasing the knee, foot drops down to the mat, extends out, left leg comes up. We inhale, bringing the knee a little closer. And exhale, release. Inhale, bringing the knee closer. And exhale, release. Inhale. And exhale, release, letting that foot come to the mat, extending out. From here, we're going to flip over onto the belly. Great. And then go into Sphinx pose, which is the forearms are on the mat. You're like a little sphinx, right? Tailbone is touching the mat. Pelvis is touching the mat. Feet are active, legs are active. Gaze is either in front or a little bit up. Staying strong here. Core is engaged. If you want to just gently move the neck from side to side, we can do that. Lengthening, releasing. And then we're going to gently take the forehead to the mat. Our arms are going to go out in a cross position, and we're going to go up on the fingertips. And then from here, we're going to move the hands up to about a 45-degree angle. We're going to stay real active in those legs. We're going to inhale, lifting up that upper body, feeling that stretch all throughout the back. Exhale, taking the forehead to mat, adjusting if you need to, your arms, your fingertips. If the fingertips are too much, you can go back down to your palms. We inhale, lifting up. And exhale, forehead to mat. Again, we inhale, lifting up. And exhale, forehead to mat. Let's do that one more time. We inhale, lifting up. And exhale, forehead to mat. Wonderful, you guys. Let's just gently massage out the hips, rocking them from side to side. And from here, we're going to take it into Balasana. We're going to tuck the toes, send the hips back into child's pose. You guys are doing wonderful. We're going to rest here for just a moment, bringing it back to center. And then from here, we're going to extend the hands out wide, tuck those back toes, and send the hips up to the sky, taking it to downward facing dog. Since this is our first down dog of the day, let's just pedal out those feet, moving the hips from side to side, sending those sit bones up to the sky. And let's try something a little new here. We're going to take the hips and just tilt them, putting all of our weight on to the left side, stretching out those hips, bringing it back to center, and then taking it to the right side. Right, so just a subtle shift in movement. All right, taking it to the left, bringing it back to center, and then sending the hips to the right. Beautiful. Taking it back to center, bending the knees just a little and really pushing those hips up to the sky. Let's be here for 2 inhales. We inhale through the nose. Exhale. We inhale and exhale. We drop down to the knees, chin and chest. Inhale, taking it to a baby cobra. And exhale, forehead to the mat. Releasing any tension throughout the body. Rolling onto your right side and taking it all the way over, lying on the back in Savasana. This morning, let's have our palms facing up, receiving the energy, allowing the body to release any tension. Calming the mind. My thoughts and feelings matter. Whenever you're ready, turning over onto your right side in the fetal position, eyes remaining closed. Using the hands as guides to come back up into easy pose. Taking your time, not rushing anything. Whenever you're there, we inhale, hands come above the head, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. Okay, you guys, that's it for today's practice, day 23. I hope that you all had a wonderful practice. Thank you for being here with me this morning. If you enjoyed the practice, please let me know how it went for you down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear about it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, if you liked it, please gently press that thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. And turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload from me. Again, have a fantastic day. Remember that affirmation, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Namaste.